And welcome back to Forex Scholars. I hope you all are having a great day. Yesterday, I couldn't make a video because I was outside, but I was taking a trade yesterday as well. I was into EUR JPY. I went long in EUR JPY around this particular level near 140.44, and I got a 1:2 hour, but I couldn't book that because I was aiming for something around here near 141.55 levels. So I missed almost $1,000 in that trade. It was on the table, but I did not take it. It happens sometime. It's completely fine. Currently, I again entered into EUR JPY yesterday night after I saw this break of structure happening in EUR JPY, and I saw that the yen can fall even a bit more, and the dollar index can move higher, and hence I took this trade, and that is why I am long on EUR JPY again with my stops at the last small time frame swing low. So it's a pretty safe trade. I don't think there is any problem in this trade, because if this particular swing low is taken, then this entire structure will fail. So this particular setup will, I think it will hold up, and I think it should at least give me a 1:2 or 1:3, for a matter of fact. Now, once we take a look at the other pairs. I want to talk about crude oil first, because crude oil is at a very important juncture. If you take a look at the 4 hours time frame, you can see that this particular OB has led to a break of structure, and it has also led to this swing low breaking. So I am pretty much interested in what happens at this particular 4 hours time frame. Now, in the 1 hour time frame or in the 15 minutes time frame, I'm more excited. In the 15 minutes time frame, I want a chalk in the smaller time frame to enter into this trade, and that's why I've set up the alert and the limit orders and everything. So a smaller time frame chalk on a 4 hour supply in crude oil can give you a pretty good result in terms of trading, in terms of R multiples. Now let's go to the other pairs. Gold, as I said that day in my last analysis, that it will eventually move higher until this supply, because there is a huge imbalance on the upside, and from there it can start dumping again, because overall gold is very very bearish. I'm not in favor of longs in gold, but yeah, it can still move higher, and it can eventually tap into this supply, and it is a beautiful trade idea from here on. Because if you see, as I told earlier, on a 4 hours time frame, it has broken this particular swing low. So this particular OB will work very very well in gold, if at all it comes there. Now, once we take a look at the USD JPY chart, we can understand that USD JPY is currently holding up. It's not giving a breakdown, although there is a huge imbalance on the downside. I would love to trade this imbalance on the downside, or maybe a tap here and go long on the upside. But as much as I can see, USD JPY is holding up. It's not reacting very well from supply, and I think this can keep moving higher in this particular direction by making a small uptrend in the smaller time frame. This can happen with USD JPY in the coming future, or maybe by the end of this week. Now, once we take a look at EUR USD, we can clearly understand that EUR USD and both GBP USD, both of them are pretty much sideways. I do not see any kind of movement in both these pairs. I am only in favor of shorting these pairs, but as of now I haven't seen anything extraordinary happening in these pairs. Although AUD USD gave a up move yesterday, and it gave a small break of structure in here as well, it could have been traded, but the OB was never tapped, so we cannot trade AUD USD as well. Coming back to NZD USD is not showing that great of strength as well. This particular move, this move that happened on Monday late night, was because of Fed Chairman Powell saying that the interest rates are gonna come because of robust earnings, and robust earnings only means that the cash flow will increase, and which will again not let the Fed control inflation so easily. So rates have to again go up, and that is the one more reason why I'm long on USD currency, and one why I have shorted EUR JPY, because I think that yen can fall, and it can give some good movement movement, EUR JPY can move pretty much well in the coming future until 142 levels. So these are the trade ideas for today. There's nothing much to say, no news flow whatsoever coming in. I think there is one news flow around 3:15 p.m., 3:45 p.m. for GBP, but other than that, we don't have any kind of news flows coming in today. It will be a pretty flat day, but we can see some movement in oil, we can see some movement in gold, we can see some movement in the major USD pairs. But other than that, I think today we won't have many big moves coming in all the pairs. So I hope you like my analysis. If you like my video, if you watched my analysis, and if you like my analysis, you can like the video, subscribe to my channel, share my video to your trading peers, and let me know what are your queries in the comment section below. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Bye bye.